In this quick video, I'll show you how to color match images in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, we need to remove the background of our subject. So for that, I will click on my subject layer. After that, go to select, then go to subject. Now you can see my subject has been selected. After that, we need to click on this mask icon. Now you can see my background has been gone. After that, we need to click on our subject layer, then go to this adjustment layer panel, click on it. After that, click on curves. Now you can see curve has been added. After that, click on the curve settings, then click on this icon to only affect the layer below it. We need to click here, and now you can see it will only affect the layer below it. Make sure to select the curve setting, not mask settings. We need to select on our curve settings. After that, click on this icon which is 3 lines. After that, go to auto options, and now check find dark and light colors. We need to click on it. After that, we just need to select the darkest and brightest colors from our background. I will choose the shadows here. We need to select the darkest color from our background. I will choose from here, and now you can see it is the darkest color in my background. After that, I will click on OK. Then select the brightest color in your background. I will click on highlights and select the brightest color, then click on OK. Also you can choose the mid tones, which is mid color of your background. I will pick this color for this image and then click on OK. After that, this window will pop up where it says, do you want to save these colors for default? It is not necessary, so that's why I will click on no. And now you can see my image has been color matched with my background, but it is not looking as good as I want. So for that, I just need to adjust the curve settings. We can simply adjust it from here. So this is how you can adjust the color settings. I will simply make it like this, and then we just need to minimize it. After that, go to the adjustment layer. We can click on it, then click on color lookup, and after that go to the load 3D LUT, then select crisp winter look, click on it, and now you can see it is more blue now. We need to reduce the blue. For that, I will click on my color lookup layer. After that, reduce the fill to 30 or 32. I will make it 36. After that, we will also reduce the curves fill. I will click on my curve layer and reduce the fill into 65. Now you can see my subject has been color matched with my background. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.